Wait, have you seen those viral AI skeleton videos all over social media? Yeah, the ones getting millions of views for no reason. Or actually, there is a reason. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create those AI skeleton videos using a website called AICut Pro. And trust me, it's way simpler than you think.
But here's the relief. It's completely harmless and temporary. Try this. Focus on wiggling one finger, just one. That small movement breaks the spell and floods your system with control. Breathe. You're safe. It'll pass in seconds.
Let's jump in. AICut Pro is basically an AI video generator that helps you create viral content, especially trending stuff like skeleton videos. I've already put the link in the description, so go ahead and check it out. Once you're there, sign up, log in, and boom, you're ready to go. After logging in, you'll see a section called Trending Niche. Just click on AI skeleton videos and it'll take you to the full guide. Step 1. Create your AI skeleton character. Alright, let's start by creating the skeleton character. Click on Create Skeleton AI Image. Now, if you don't have a prompt, don't worry. You can just pick one of the ready-made skeleton characters and hit Recreate. The prompt fills in automatically. But if you already have your own prompt, even better. I actually prepared one on my website, link also in the description if you want to use it. Next, choose the aspect ratio. I recommend 9:16 for TikTok or Shorts. Then pick your resolution, 1K, 2K, or even 4K. Click Generate Image. Wait a few seconds. And done. Your skeleton character is ready. Download it because we'll use it in the next step. Now, to keep your character consistent in videos, we need to create something called a character reference sheet. Click Create Skeleton Character Reference Sheet. Upload your skeleton image. Hit Generate and wait a bit. Done. Download it and save it. Next, let's add this character into AICut's assets. Click Add Skeleton Character to AICut Assets. Click Add Character. Give it a name, and upload your reference sheet. Click Create Character, and that's it. Your skeleton is now saved as an asset. Step 2. Create AI Image Story. Now let's turn this into an actual video. Click on Create AI Image Story. If you already have a script, just paste it in. If not, click Generate Script. Choose the template Dr. Skeleton, then type your idea. For example, why sleep paralysis happens and what to do when it happens. Click Enhance Prompt to make it better. Then choose your script length, 30 to 180 seconds. Pick your language and click Generate Script. Boom, your script is ready. Now add your skeleton character from Assets. For image style, choose Ultra Realism so it looks more realistic. For animation, I usually keep it on static or still images. Other settings, just leave them default or tweak them if you want. Pick a voice. You've got tons of options from different countries. Then click Create AI Image Story. And wait a few minutes. Done. But right now, it's still just images. Step 3. Turn images into video. To convert everything into video, just do this. Click Enable for all scenes in the AI video section. Choose Base or Pro mode, your choice. Then click Generate AI Videos and wait. And boom, now all your scenes are fully animated videos.
Your body goes completely rigid. You can't move. You can't scream. Sleep paralysis hits when your brain wakes up, but your muscles stay locked in REM sleep's protective freeze. Here's what actually happens. During REM, your body paralyzes itself to stop you acting out dreams. Sometimes you wake before the unlock kicks in. Terror floods through you. But here's the relief. It's completely harmless and temporary. Try this. Focus on wiggling one finger, just one. That small movement breaks the spell and floods your system with control. Breathe. You're safe. It'll pass in seconds.
You can preview it, edit if needed, then click Render Video. Once rendering is done, just download it. And just like that, your AI skeleton video is ready to upload. So yeah, that's how easy it is to create viral AI skeleton videos using AICut Pro. No complicated editing, no advanced skills needed. And hey, if random skeleton videos can get millions of views, why not yours next? Try it out right now. The link is in the description.